Moomoo Canada Review, my honest thoughts after trying it for 90 days. In this video, I'll share my honest review of the Moomoo Canada after using it for 90 days.
So to get started, at first I was skeptical. Momo's flashy interface felt like a gaming app. But after 3 months of testing trades, tools, and usability, here's what I learned. Pros. The zero commission trading is a win, and the level 2 data is shockingly good for free. It also provides excellent charting tools, especially for swing or day traders. The desktop and mobile apps are fast and reliable as well. Now, the downsides. Canadian stock coverage is still catching up. Some features like RRSP, TFSA support aren't there yet, and the funding process feels slower compared to competitors. If you're new to investing and want US stock access with rich data tools, Moomoo is a solid start. But for long-term investing or registered accounts, platforms like Questrade still have the edge. I'll keep using this for active trading, but not for retirement goals. At least, not yet. And that is my honest review of Moomoo Canada after 90 days.